minor player on Once Upon a Time caused major drama.
Michael Coleman Happy the Dwarf took it upon himself to swat down shippers who wanted to see Emma Swan Jennifer Morrison and Queen Regina Lana Parallel hookup. Coleman took to Twitter to shut down Swan Queen shippers. He invited them to pitch their own show or watch another one. They wanted to see this kind of femme/relationship. Morrison and Parallel jumped on Twitter to disagree with Coleman and to show love for the fans. Even the show's co-creator Adam Horovitz had to deal with the fallout from Happygate. More Once Upon a Time, the best Once Upon a Time characters 62 of 241, the greatest TV shows for women 9 of 59, the best teen sci-fi and fantasy TV series.
The creator of the 100 fostered bad blood on his set and had fans in an uproar.
First, the 100 unceremoniously killed off beloved queer character Lexa Alisha Debnam Carey. She did leave to do Fear the Walking Dead, but fans thought the exit was mishandled. 2 weeks later, Lincoln, played by Ricky Whittle, met his fate as well. His exit was Starzs' gain, as Whittle will play Shadow in the upcoming American Gods. The exit of the two characters could have simply been a matter of actors getting better gigs and moving on, but Whittle said otherwise. He told AfterBuzz TV that creator Jason Rothenberg essentially forced him off the show, saying, "The beginning of the season, Lincoln had a whole storyline that was cut, that was just non-existent. It was my choice to go." Oh. This is going to be the most controversial thing I will say, is that basically creator Jason Rothenberg abused his position to make my job untenable. What he did was disgusting and he should be ashamed. Rothenberg later apologized for how he handled Lex's death. More than 100 the best episodes of the 100 ranking the best seasons of the 137 of 74 sci-fi shows you should be watching now.
Empire showrunner Lee Daniels called his cast Batch *T crazy.
Empire showrunner Lee Daniels called his cast Batch *T crazy.
Discrepancies may have driven a wedge between Mulder and Scully on the X-Files.
Discrepancies may have driven a wedge between Mulder and Scully on the X-Files.
Relationship Dramz allegedly spilled over onto the Game of Thrones set.
Relationship Dramz allegedly spilled over onto the Game of Thrones set. Rumor has it two Besties on The Good Wife hated each other IRL. The drama on the set of Glee was too much for Ryan Murphy.
A Criminal Minds star kicked a producer.
A Criminal Minds star kicked a producer.
Two of Castle stars might have despised each other.
Two of Castle stars might have despised each other.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.